I might sound harsh, but most of you won't be able to clear the exams because when you are studying, you get tired, and when you get tired, you think about quitting. Negative thoughts to appear for just one group, might strike in your mind multiple times. But let me tell you something. Everything great in life comes with a challenge. There is going to be sacrifice. It is not going to be easy. But you have to believe in yourself. You have to make it happen. So, get up. Make every single minute of your day count. And you need to do this each damn day until your exams, no matter what it takes. You need consistency. Yes, consistency. It is like waking up early and going to bed late and studying every damn second in between. If you really want to be a CA, if you are not just saying it, but deep down you feel it within you, you need to keep pushing. No wasting of time, no procrastinating, no useless chatting, no Netflix. Believe in yourself and you can make it happen. So, next time when you feel like giving up, when you feel like closing your books, and when you get no on your confidence, you have two paths to choose from. A, you give up, or B, work harder and get the damn thing